He is very happy that it's broken the Krish 3 ka first day record. He's happy because of that. Reactions have been incredible, full of gratitude that we have been able to entertain the people. And finally, it's the numbers that show the appreciation in its entirety. So the numbers is what we have been getting, and we are very happy. Interviews इतने होते हैं कि मुझे chance नहीं मिला, तो I will definitely go. I will be coming to the theatre soon. Maybe आज it's a good day. So Eid पे I will go and celebrate. In the theatres with my audience.
I think I went on the first day. I think it's been phenomenal. I think the reactions across the board, like whether we went to single screens or went to the multiplexes, I went to PVR in Juhu and in Phoenix. I think it's the appreciation is alike through the board.
He is very happy that it's broken the Krish 3 ka first day record. He's happy because of that. His aim was that. So we've broken the Krish 3 record, which is good for me also.
It's a huge record, I think.
And yeah, he's happy that he keeps saying Krish 3 we broke, kick we broke. So he's happy. He's very happy.
I think it's smashed every record this year. I think.
It's not about me, यार. मुझे लोग पूछते रहते हैं, how do you feel? How do you feel?
It's your film.
I'm feeling great. I'm feeling great. But we also have to remind ourselves that victory जो है, it is actually in the journey. जो journey जो रही है of Bang Bang has been the victory itself. But we are still very happy that it's doing really well. It's breaking all records, and we've actually, as I'm talking, I think we are going to pass the 100 crore mark. So
as we speak right now,
which is great. So thank you to all our fans, to all our audience. Thank you.
I have no idea. I think it's going to take a month before actually.
I think he's found himself in you know, he's an action romance guy.
My soul is action.
Yeah, his soul.
My body is romance.
It was difficult. We had to be very sure that you know, the brain is not traumatized because of the sound. So all the dances which I have done with earplugs in my head. You can't even. I could not get the, you know, the thrust of the music जो होता है, वो बहुत help करता है for you to you know, give your best and explode in front of the camera. लेकिन I could not do that. So I was in with the earplugs and hearing the music on like you know, muffled sound.
Yeah, exactly.
So but still managed, I think.
Absolutely.
Managed.
The entire rooftop sequence.
Yeah.
I think that
मुश्किल तो था because
the entire,
it's very cold also, man.
apart from that, the thing is that सारे roofs जो शिमला के हैं वो बहुत पुराने हैं, वो 100 साल से ऊपर हैं वो सारे घर. We had to reinforce the roofs. बहुत प्री प्लानिंग गए थे, 2 महीने की प्री प्लानिंग थी उस शूट में. सारे roofs को स्ट्रेंथन करना पड़ा. वहाँ रिग्स लगे, पूरे ट्रसेस लगे, सेफ्टी नेट से obviously, and it was an elaborate 8-day shoot.
और हम लोग कितने थे?
हम लोग कुछ 125 लोग थे वहाँ पर.
125 लोग.
लोग वहाँ पे भी रहेंगे तब पीपल
वहाँ पर
125
करोड़ थे वहाँ पर लोग. क्रू 125 का था.
125 लोग on rooftops of all the families.
सब लोग घरों के ऊपर थे.
घरों के ऊपर सब खड़े. So I wonder what the
possible to shoot a sequence
Shimla
like that.
में the people there are just beautiful. They just really helped us
Very
so
welcoming
much.
and adjusting. हम उनके छत पे धम भाग रहे हैं. But very, हमें लगता है तो I wouldn't allow that अगर मेरा घर होता.
Amir's punishment is due. तो मैंने तो उनको punishment मैंने दे दी है. अब करने वाले हैं. He likes to have challenges, so I've given him a challenge. So I don't think he will back out. करेंगे for sure. I'm sure. तो देखते हैं. We'll wait. Yes. We both have seen each other's films. Completed the Bang Bang Dare. जो मैंने दिया था उनको कि first day पे वो मेरी पिक्चर देखेंगे and I will see his, and we completed the dare. So it's amazing. We all it all has all of us have come together as an industry to tell people and show people that we are beyond fame, success, money. वो सब you know एक हद तक है, लेकिन उसके ऊपर we are you know larger, stronger as human beings and together. अच्छा लगा उनको. आप पूछिए ना उनको, मैं क्या बोलूँ. मुझे तो अच्छा ही वो बोलेंगे. आप पूछिए.
And you have seen Heather also, and you
Yes.
love Shahid's performance.
Yeah, I liked it a lot. It's very well done.
I think you need a story for that. I think just because picture is successful, I don't think it's a bandwagon that we want to follow. एक story मिलेगी, अच्छी कहानी मिलेगी, which empowers us to get back on that action, take risks, do the entire journey again. then we will think about it. I don't think so. That's key. I think it's a story that needs to come through, shine through.
मोहनजोदारो मेरी
2015
अगली
you
पिक्चर
don't
है। ऐसा क्यों बोल रहे हैं आप? They have said ना, but बीच में और भी कुछ हो सकता है, तो हाँ देखो क्या होता है। I will do that. A lot of people have told me that, and I'm thinking about it. I will.